Alright, so what we have here is a chunk of natural halite, opal, and as you can see, it is crystal clear. You can see right through it. And this can be faceted. What makes this particular opal from Mexico so interesting is the uranium content. It's actually radioactive. So let me go ahead and demonstrate that. I'll hit the lights. Now this is a pretty relatively small piece of opal. You can see under correct lighting, it glows so brightly it actually lights up my entire hand. Just a small piece, and what I've assembled here is actually a 3-tiered waterfall comprised of solid halite opal. See the top tier there, which goes down the second tier. And then lastly the third tier down there. Now you might be saying that all can't be solid opal. That's absurd. It is solid opal, and it is absurd. This thing is just it's badass. You know, it's quite relaxing, tranquil. Sound of running water to absurdly bright, glowing, radioactive Mexican opal. I'll include a picture of what it looks like when the light is not turned on. This one piece down here is 4.5 pounds alone, and that's not including any of these additional solid chunks that I've affixed. There's over 65, I think about 70 pieces total here in this display, and weighing pounds. I'm not sure exactly how many, but it's a lot of opal, no doubt. Thanks a lot for watching.